In this video, we're gonna try to catch the F Express train going southbound. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, we gotta go up another flight of stairs, are you? I gotta catch my F. Oh! Wait, oh yes, it is here! It's here!
It's here.
I catched it. I mean, trains. It's F Express. Look at that. I mean, as you can see here, there's the Diamond F. G and F local is the transfer there. This Culver Express, F Diamond.
Attention, on the next stop will be 7th Avenue, followed by Church. 7th Avenue, followed by Church.
There's an A train on the other side. Yeah, how do you feel about that? How do you feel about catching this train? Okay. Finally I was able to catch this Diamond F train instead of the one making the local stops. So basically, the Diamond F, they select 2 F trains on the AM and PM rush hours. So they do select 2 trains to run express. And in this case, this Express is okay. We missed the first F Express train, like the 522. We are getting now. We finally like catch the 553 F train. Wow. Okay, at some point we're passing through the lower level of Bergen Street. I'm not sure if we passed it or not, but I think we did. Yeah. Yeah, it's London Express. Yeah, it's my reflection, by the way. And this is I think this is, right? Do I see? I don't really see, but this is probably yeah, I think so. I think that's the yeah. Stop 7th Avenue. Church Avenue, Demise Avenue, 18. Yeah, we should be passing Carroll Street at some point. We pass Carroll Street, Smith 9th Street, and then 4th Avenue, 9th Street, and then we have 7th Avenue, and then... Okay, we should be passing Carroll Street right now. Look at that, we're rising up from the lower level right now. There's the F local. There's the Manhattan-bound F local train over there. Rise up from the lower level. And
Yeah, we're going upward.
now we went up. We just rised up, and it's nighttime right now. It's
Oh, I see outside. Oh, there's people. Oh, never mind. That's not
yeah. Look at this. It's nighttime. We're gonna pass Smith 9th Street. Yeah, I wanna put the camera on here. I just wanna I don't know which one, left or right. Come on. I think I'll do right for this. I mean, let's just
Smith and 9th Street.
Smith 9th Street. Oh look, there's the highway right there, which
yeah, look, there's a McDonald's right over there. I can tell because they have an F.
Yeah, it's too dark. My camera cannot see it, but that's I remember going. Okay, Smith 9th Street, but Smith 9th Street is where the G train used to terminate, but it's permanent. Yeah, they extended to Church Avenue when this project started, and this is permanent.
What do you mean when this project started?
The Culver Yeah, it's called the Culver project. They had to reconstruction this part of the area. This area.
Look.
Look at that F logo on this side.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's a refurbished.
Refurbished R160 F tray.
Yeah, but we're not gonna take this. It says Culver local, but that we're on the Culver Express.
That's a local.
Yeah, it's refurbished too. I mean, we're caught up to this train. This train's got a Kings Highway, not Coney Island. This F train is for Kings Highway, and we're passing the Circle F train, or the local one. This is Diamond, so it's Express.
That train's gonna stop at 4th Avenue.
Yeah. Okay, this is 4th Avenue on Street. There's another F train over there, and this train, we're gonna go past it. I mean, this train's stopping here. We're just gonna continue. Oh, it's half refurbished. This one's just standard.
Standard.
I think that's just the standard poles if I'm looking at it carefully. And we're back on the ground and we're going fast again. This is the moment that everyone's been waiting for.
Transfer is available to the G and F local trains.
F Express. This is F Express, and this is another. We're on the express track.
We'll probably just skip 15th Street, Prospect Park, and 4000 Parkway.
Yeah. They just take a shortcut to get through that.
This is a Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound F Express train. The next stop is Church Avenue.
We were taking this up to 18th. Let's just close the doors. Now move to this. Everyone else is waiting for the F local over there, which is gonna come in a. It's gonna come in a minute because it's at 4th Avenue 9th Street. Okay, now I believe this is taking a shortcut. So yeah, it takes a shortcut through the park to get to Church Avenue, which I know that. This train's not that crowded as it was. Okay, so where we left off for part 1, we left 7th Avenue and we're approaching Church Avenue in just a moment, I think. And I think what's happening right now. Okay, so we're gonna continue our trip from part 1 to 18th Avenue. What that means is, unfortunately, I had to split into parts, so you only saw like 8 minutes and 52 seconds of the video, and it's because of this camera that's only letting me recording for that amount of time. So yeah, if you didn't see part 1, links in the description. And we're taking this up to 18th Avenue, where I think we're gonna go home because we'll change for the bus.
Will it record audio?
Huh?
Does it record audio?
It does.
Oh, wait, are we stopping?
No, we are skipping 2 stations.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, I'm not sure why the train's going slow, but it's... Yeah, you don't see the as you can see there, and then it's only gonna run express up to Church Avenue, unfortunately. It's not going to run up until Neptune Avenue. It's not going to run express up to that station, because I've got no idea why, but it's, let's say, put it like that. Should be approaching, because we're going like fast a little. I'm not sure. No, I think we're turning. I don't know what I think I'm hearing things. That took a while. Yep. F. There's a Manhattan-bound F local train there. Oh, this part's refurbished. I don't.
That's refurbished. That's a local.
Yeah.
This is Coney Island, Culver Avenue bound F local train. The next stop is Gitman Avenue.
F local train.
Yeah, because it's gonna run local up to Neptune Avenue. It's not gonna run express on the full Culver line. Oh, look, there's a G train. Okay, 4-car R68 G train terminating here at Church Avenue. Look at that. Doesn't really cause delays here because
Google call that train the Gaboring train.
yeah. So this train,
Gaboring train.
so where this train will go is to go to a yard, which is nearby here, which I don't know. I think that's like some suspicious thing. So yeah, this train terminates here, and we'll go to the yard shortly. And because this train terminates here, it causes delays a bit on the F, so I think this may improve.
That's the G train. Like I call it the Gaboring train.
Yeah.
Gaboring.
4-car R68 G train. Yeah, it's leaving. That's a short train, by the way.
F is for Fortnite and fun.
Another G train, they're turning. It just turned. I mean, now I don't know where it is, but it's. Why are you following me like each second? Yeah, that G train was okay, and we should be going back to above ground. Cause
Yeah, we are.
we should be.
This side. This side is better than that side.
But how come, like, when I was there, then you were there too? Like, what was that? We're going up. We're going, and now this is Titmus Avenue. There's all this kind of, you know, some switch tracks there. Yeah. We're not switching tracks, we're definitely merging into the local track. Yes.
Gitman Avenue.
Station. This station is Titmus
Or should we
Avenue.
call the refurbished R160F train and R160C? This one's just standard. Wait, is this refurbished or standard?
It's just standard.
Oh, metal chairs.
Have you seen metal chairs?
Nope.
Yeah, I've seen them.
This is a Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound F local train.
They renovated the station a while ago. Or not, yeah, that was years ago, not even a while. It's just.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and good evening. Hope everyone's enjoyed your day, and I do apologize for disturbing you all this evening on your travel. Ladies and gentlemen, I am homeless and I'm hungry.
Express on the island.
This business says early this morning that I've
Yeah,
had a
I've heard
meal.
that.
And I sleep on the trains, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just waking up. And it's my chance this evening to get to a soup kitchen to get something to eat. I'm hungry and I'm cold. And I'm asking, ladies and gentlemen, if anyone can find it in their hearts this evening to help me out. And I can get something to eat. Maybe a cup of coffee, and it will greatly appreciated. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for listening. God bless you and enjoy the rest of the evening. Please, ladies and gentlemen, is there anybody that can help me out this evening? No help? Get something to eat, a cup of coffee, please. Anyone that help?
You think we should give it? What do you think?
Is there anybody here?
Huh? You think? No? Okay then, whatever. I don't have coins, but I have dollar bills. I mean, I have like a couple.
18th Avenue.
Look at this station. It's like it's new.
Oh my.
See, yeah, it's been a while since I came back here. Like the last time I was, it was, yeah, they were.
No, not this part though. This the bottom
18th Avenue.
F train station.
They've renovated this a year ago, and so is these.
Yeah, they have metro chairs now.
Yeah,
That's the only thing that looks new.
Okay. It's just still says Diamond F there, but it's gonna no more Diamond F. Yeah.
Island, Stillwell Avenue bound F local train. The next stop is Avenue I.
I think that at the time we have another F train directly ahead.
The next stop is Fifth Avenue.
Why aren't you going?
We're checking which bus we're again.
That's not true. Wait, is this? Why would someone sleep on a train? Like I've never. I've seen that before. So. Diamond F train. Yeah, we'll see you in the next one.